So with our deviled shrimp today, we're going to be serving a simple fried rice, some chop suey or fried vegetables, and some kangkong or some form of spinach or long green leaves. So the ingredients we're going to be using for this deviled prawn or shrimp, let's take a little look now. So here we go, I've got some beautiful shrimps here, or prawns. What we've done is we've deveined them, cleaned them out, just kept the very end of the shell on. I've got some chili paste here, ketchup, oyster sauce, salt and pepper, garlic, tomatoes, some green or spring onions, capsicums, these are kind of a light colour one you get here, and onions. What we're going to do first, before we go into the kitchen, is we're going to get some salt and pepper onto the shrimps, mix it up, and then what we're going to do is deep fry them. So there you go, like I say, just a little bit of salt and pepper, not too much. In it goes. We're just going to give that a little mix around, and then we're off to the kitchen, and what we're going to do is we're going to deep fry these little babies, and we're going to be well on our way to making a beautiful deviled prawn. So as you can see here, I've got a wok here with some hot oil happening. There's like sort of 2-3 centimeters of oil. We're going to take our prawns, salt and peppered, and in they go. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook these for about 4 minutes. Okay, so these are looking amazing. They've been like 3 to 4 minutes. Check them out. Fantastic. What we're going to do is we're going to set these aside. Then I'm going to reduce this oil down by sort of 90%. But we do want to fry the vegetables in this oil because this oil has some absolutely wonderful flavours now. Let me reduce that. So back in the wok, a little bit of that oil, just heating that up nicely. What we're going to do is we're going to drop in some garlic, some onions, and our capsicums, or peppers, whatever you call them, bell peppers. In they go. And we're literally only going to go for like 90 seconds or so, just maybe a little bit longer, aren't we? So these have just now taken a little bit of colour. What we're going to do now is we're going to add in some ketchup, a little bit of oyster sauce, and some chili paste. We're going to saute this for just a few seconds. And now in go our fried prawns. Now let's just go now for about 1 or 2 minutes, stirring all the time. Absolutely wonderful. Now we're going to add like a splash of water, really a small amount of water in there. I'm going to go just for another 60 seconds on this, then we're nearly finished. Absolutely wonderful. Simply, we're done now. What we're going to do is drop in some tomatoes, some green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. We're going to give that a stir. And this deviled prawn is ready to serve.